So this is going to be for Robert and Glenda. And as far as what we're looking at here is they love their electro air filter that they already have. They're keeping that. Glenda really appreciates it. We're possibly thinking about doing a humidifier on the side, which I'll show you guys how we would be able to do that. And then the AC coil is just way oversized. As far as it goes, it's taking up more room than the furnace should, and it's just incorrectly proportioned for what they need. And everything like that. I'm thinking 2.5 ton, but I'll run the heat load calc for that, and we'll get the right size and everything like that handled. The cold air return is monstrous. We have a 14 by 21 cold air return, which is great. It means the system's going to get plenty of airflow. It will never be lacking. So that's great. As far as the system goes, we are looking to upgrade it to a 96% efficient 2-stage burner furnace with a 3-stage fan, just to make sure it's the highest efficiency ones that they offer on the market today. And what we'd be doing for the exhaust as well as the fresh air intakes for this system is we'd go ahead and run it exactly how this is. This is a chimney right behind here. You guys should be able to run a fresh air and an exhaust just right out here and up through the roof, and then vent that away, of course, from their water heater. We would have to go ahead and find a cap for their water heater where it's all hooked up into, and just cap that portion off, but that's it. As far as the line set goes, they have had a either a small leak or it was incorrectly charged when it began, because they had to refill about 2 years ago on their refrigerant. It was R22, of course, so didn't help them too much on that. But I'd say let's replace both of the line set. I know it would save them a little bit of money, but this looks almost too small for the high pressure that we do for R410A anyways. So let's just replace both of the suction line and the liquid line for them. That way they don't have to worry about that, and if there is any leaks in the system, it's just taken care of. I don't want them to have to worry about that in the future. As far as the condensation line goes, you should be able to just run it directly into this pump that's already down here. I do want to see where it runs, which it looks like it runs up and out of the home this way with it, which I may ask Robert to give me the exact spots for that, but that's really what we're looking at, guys. So just making sure everything's a little bit cleaner. You got a lot of flex on the gas line, so I don't think we're really gonna have to mess too much with that. But that's what we're looking at. Don't mess with the cold air return unless we do the humidifier, of course. And the humidifier, what we would do for it is they do have a water softener on the other side. Water heater's right here. Everything we would need to tap isn't too far away. We would either push this down, install the humidifier right here, and the floor joists run, as you can see, just directly across, and you can actually line it up directly with this vent and run a whole line that way and connect it in to the water softener. That way the humidifier pads last a bit longer for them. We can benefit, or they would benefit from us using that. So that's that, and just put it right here. Unscrew this, move it down a little bit, make it pretty solid that way, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the thermostat, which I think we're going to do just a regular digital programmable based on the option which they choose. Of course, that's capable for a humidifier if they do decide to put one in or add one in the future. We'll leave that up to them, but that's basically what we're looking at. I'll show you guys the thermostat in just a minute, as well as the wiring and the outside condenser. So